Hello again. I'm here to do an example for you. Anybody who's interested. In this problem, we're going to solve this equation for x, and notice it has several fractions in it. So this is a technique to deal with fractions within an equation. Okay, so we notice we have 3, 4, 6, and 2. So standard technique is to take the LCD for these four numbers, in this case 3, 4, 6, and 2, which is 12, and take that 12 and multiply the entire equation on both sides by the 12. The effect of this will be that these fractions will disappear. So let's see how this works. Distribute the 12. Okay, I'll work on both sides together. 12 times 5 over 6 and minus 12 times x over 2. Now notice that these cancellations occur. This will be a 4x. 12 over 3 is 4. This is 36 over 4, which is 9x. This is 60 over 6, which is 10. And this is 12x over 2, which is 6x. Now we're back in familiar territory, and we just move our x terms around. I think I'm going to, well, but even before I do that, I'm going to collect these two terms over here because I can, and that's the easiest thing to do so far. Then I'm going to add a 6x to both sides. That gives me a 10 over here and an x over here, and luckily enough, I don't have to do anything else. I'm right there. There's my answer. Okay, let me erase this one, and we'll try another one like that. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay, here's another problem that has a fraction in it, actually two fractions. So I see a 5 and a 10. I can see my LCD would be a 10. So I'm going to take 10 times both sides of this equation, like so. Notice I use the parentheses. And now I'm going to expand. So this will be a 40x minus 10 times 3 over 5 and a 10 times 1 over 10 plus a 10 times 8x. This will become 40x minus 6. This is 30 over 5. And this is 10 over 10, which is 1, plus 80x. Okay, so then minus a 40x, I'll decide to put the x's on the right. So I have a negative 6 is 1 plus 40x. Minus this 1 on both sides, and you get this. Negative 7 equals 40x. Divide by the 40. Both sides. So you see how that 40 divides out, becomes a 1, and our final answer is just this negative 7 over 40. It's not the nicest answer, but that's our answer.